Ka Bjp kalais no lang bat kaseng Voice of the People Party ha kaban Kynthoh Pyrshah eka Sorkar MEGHALAYA na kadaw bakala Aiti ki Projek penroi ki bakham Kongsan ki Kontraktor ki banabar Jylla. Unong aiktien ka Bjp uba kharkrang ulapan pawi ka jing sngo khuslai jingmut jong u halor ka jingdu kamdu jam ki trai muluk bat ka jing tut ka pisa shabar Jylla. Da ka bapen inia babuntli ki Projek la banle ki brieu don sap jong ka Jylla. Wat la ula kubur ru hakajuk kapor ya ka jingdon kam ni ki brieu ki betebet na shabar Jylla hakikat tu kat ni ki khep ula banjur pat baya ki Projek ke ba kontraktor ta Jylla ki la banle ki de banne be hapo ka Jylla. Lapan inuk saru da ki Projek ki bahe kum ka yeng darbar thau an ki bathamai ka medical college bat ka secretariat ka bathamai ka baladat ban Aiti ki kontraktor ki banabar Jylla. Kham haswa ka seng VPP ru kala pendam jore ka Sorkar ya ka ba kala kenno ba kala pendut kai ki pisah haka kamshna bat kam maramon.
Really don't have the details of all these contracts that have been allotted to firms from outside. But what I feel is that if any big contracts are there, and if these contracts can be carried out by our local contractors, so I really don't see the reason why they should be handed over to others. Take for example, I would like to say is that we have seen a lot, like you are mentioning about contract. In fact, even private security, a lot of our local firms are upcoming and they are bidding the tender and all. But many a times we find that all these private security work now have been handed over to people for agencies from outside. And these agencies from outside, what they do is they hire people from outside only. They don't give local employment. So similarly also I feel like if any contract, of course maybe there are some contracts where we don't have the expertise, then it is right for the government to hand over to others. But if our people have the right expertise, so I really don't see why they should be handed over. Because ultimately if you give to a firm from outside, whatever money they make from there will be taken out of the state. It will not circulate here in the state. So I feel that government should take a call on this.